love God and love your neighbor is the basic life principle of a Christian. Dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, the key aspect of today's gospel can be summarized in a single word, that is love. The greatest commandment of God, which says, love God and love your neighbor, is the basic life principle of a Christian. Now, what is this love all about? When we read the first letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 13, we come across the fundamental characteristics of love. In other words, St. Paul points out what we should and should not do with regard to love. In verse 4, St. Paul writes, "Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful." Today, let us focus on these aspects of love. Firstly, love is patient. This can be looked at from two dimensions. The first dimension is of suffering. When there is crisis or problems in our life, we need to endure it with patience. Second dimension is of being patient with situations and people. This means to be slow to anger or slow to take offense or inflict punishment on others. Secondly, love is kind. The very life of Jesus is known for his attitude of kindness. He was kind to all those who followed him. We too are called to show kindness in everyday life. This means to be gentle in our behavior and to have a genuine concern towards the need of others. Thirdly, love is not jealous. Jealousy is always compared with placing ourselves above others. Real love will not allow us to compete with others. Since we are living in a world of competitions, rather than always striving for the first place, we need to reflect about the importance of placing others first. Finally, love is not boastful. Sometimes people boast about their wealth, health, qualifications, and so on. However, we need to be more grateful to God for everything we have in our life. Ultimately, real love is all about avoiding self-centeredness and having other-centeredness. St. Thomas Aquinas rightly said, "Love is nothing but willing the good of others." Today, let us ask the grace of God to understand the depth of real love and to live a life according to the commandment of love.